So this is going to be some of the tools that you guys are going to need. 10mm, 8mm, socket, pry bar, pick, Christmas tree tool, impact, or 3/8 ratchet. First step is to remove the end cover. Let's put that aside. And we're going to remove the trim push pins on both these plastic pieces on both sides. Next is going to be all the push pins here, move them all. This is a tool I like to use, it's made by Snap-on. And there's a trim piece, rubber trim piece, has the same Christmas trees, pull up on it, be careful. Pull. I'm not going to move all of them, just the ones that get the actual piece on top, and they just pull right out, just wiggle and pull them away from the side of the car. Next is the airbox. Both of those are flat blade or 8mm. Just have to loosen them a little bit. And I use my pick on this connector just because I didn't have a free hand to push in the safety push. Unplug the evap purge connector and just wiggle it off that purge on the intake. Just lift up off the one thing it sits on and pull it off. Remove the radiator cap, be careful if your coolant's hot. Mine was a little warm. Next we're going to go underneath the car, and there is some 10mm and 13mm bolts, and then one push pin in the middle and the front. And once that's off, there's a drain right there, so loosen it up and clean the coolant. Remove the hose off the airbox and pull it up. Just pull up on this bumper cover, it'll come right up. 8mm there, and then 10mm another push pin for the windshield washer reservoir. And this 10mm you And then to get to the bolts behind the bumper cover, just pull back, and then you're going to have to use your wrench or quarter-inch ratchet to get the bolts out from behind here. Also, there's two Christmas trees on both sides of that harness behind there. And this hood latch layer, just pull it back and up and out. Don't have to take the hood latch off. Pry up on that metal piece, both sides. Just come right out. I have my horns on there. You can take the tens out to take it out, but. And then there's two quarter-inch bolts on this plastic piece. And I pried up a little screwdriver so it doesn't break. Electrical connector, the push tab is on actually the back side of the connector. Just push it in and wiggle, set that aside. These are the lower tabs for the fan. You're going to have to push in the upper part of the top on both sides. Take the top bulge clamp off of the radiator. So this is why we remove the airbox. And you should have the shroud already, so on the other side. Pull the overflow hose off. Just set it in there. Separate this from the condenser just by pulling up on that tab on our side, and the other side is going to be a plastic piece. Push the covers back on the push pin. And then you're just going to put pressure on the radiator to separate from the condenser while you take the pieces clips out. The little metal U-clips that sit in the grooves right here, I use my pick to get behind them and then carefully pull them out so you don't lose them. You have 2 open ends, so it should be easy to get out. What they look like. That's the gyroscope. Then just pull and wiggle on the lines on the backside and they'll come right out. Be careful with them, they will leak fluid if you put them down. And we're just going to keep them separated, and you're going to want to pull up on the condenser and pull it away from the radiator. It sits in the 2 grooves on the radiator port. Pull and wiggle, you'll see where it sits. And this way you don't have to discharge the AC. And it saves you a ton of time this way. There may be a Christmas tree on the driver's side of the radiator. You have to pry away from it, just to get the radiator to come out. Now this is going to be where the radiator was leaking from. Then you follow the steps to put it back together.